Hey, welcome to SquareMax Customs. Wait till you see these one-of-a-kind custom emblems that we made for my 6.6 LB7 Duramax swapped Squarebody. But first, check out this custom front bumper that we took and transformed from this to this. You can't say that's not night and day. So freaking cool, completely custom. But wait, don't forget to check out the emblems I was telling you about. Yeah, 6.6 LB7. Well, here's the OG emblem, and this is the one that we made. And look, after you got your emblem made, it's as simple as copying and pasting. Poof, now we got one for each fender. Magnificent. With the Xtool software, you're able to design your own parts, or in this case, your own custom emblems. Check it out, she's all done engraving it. Now time for step 2. This thing walks you right through the process. Ready? Would you just check that out? That just came out fabulous. I absolutely love it. Well, let's get it on there and see what it really looks like. Aw, that's cool. That really sets her off. And we didn't have to wait freaking a month and a half to have a custom one made, and we saved some bucks making it on our machine. That's so freaking cool. And we made 2 of them. So, got one for each side. Oh, easy. Fabulous. It looks so good. You gotta admit, that looks way better. And if you didn't know, her name's Maxine. I really like the fact that I can just slide stuff over and move the slots, and we can put a pre-bent piece in here. It makes it nice for customizing stuff that you already have built. It actually takes a picture of your metal inside the machine. That way you can help line up your words exactly where you want them. That came out freaking awesome. Like, what? Super cool. Heck yeah. Get a little box built for behind it and a light put on it. That thing's gonna freaking glow at night. Well, what do you think? I made a box for it out of, I don't know, some old scrap we had laying around and threw some lights in there. This is just a sneak peek. We gotta, you know, weld it onto the bumper and everything, but I like it. That thing's gonna, yeah, it's bright. It's gonna stand out, that's for sure. That's gonna look so good on there, especially with that light behind it. We're gonna freaking laser weld it in with the Xtool MetalFab. I tell you what, this machine comes in so handy. Not only can it cut metal, it can freaking weld metal, and it hooks up to a CNC machine. It also has a rust remover, but my stuff's not heavily rusted, and the rust remover doesn't remove paint. So, but look at that. Whew, I'm excited to get this thing done and back on the truck. Don't forget about that emblem. Whew, thing came out so nice. I like it. So I really want the triangle for my YouTube emblem to light up red, and unfortunately I don't have no red glass, but what I do have is some see-through red tape that's for fixing directionals and stuff. That should do fine. And for those of you that say it won't hold, well, it's been holding up just fine on this truck. Don't worry, I know what you're saying. If we just put a piece of tape on that and it's a front bumper, I mean, when we're doing the speed limit, that's just gonna blow the tape off. Yeah, you're right, but luckily for us, I have an extra piece of plexiglass from when I built the custom dash in this truck. Well, we don't need a piece so big, so. This stuff's never fun to cut. Luckily, we don't need perfect edges. But, I mean, that'll be fine. Now we'll take a piece of this reflective directional fix-it tape. Well, we'll just put it right over that, nice and neat. Watch how fast we can weld this 2-foot bead. Tell me that's not crazy. 2 foot done in how long? This thing's coming out so cool. Man, that Xtool MetalFab welder makes welding stuff up so much faster. And look, it's pretty bead, especially for what I can weld, you know? I'm just an old flux core MIG welder, so That's pretty freaking awesome. I gotta get it flipped over. Nope, we gotta throw some paint on it, let the paint dry, then we gotta flip the bumper over and we gotta get our light box mounted on the back. And well, then I think we can about get the thing back on the truck and get a visual, wire up the lights and see what this bad girl's gonna look like. Whew, I'm so excited. This is something I've always wanted to do to this truck since I bought this truck, but I couldn't find somebody to cut me that out reasonable, and I didn't want to wait weeks to get one sent to me, so super cool to have one of these now, and I can pretty much just laser out whatever my heart desires whenever I want. Absolutely sweet. And then I can laser weld it on there. How cool is that? So freaking cool. Look at that bumper, it's neat. We'll have to wait till it gets dark and see how good it lights up. Oh man, I am so happy. That's so free. I love the emblems, I absolutely love them. And I've been wanting to do that to my bumper for, whew, I built this truck 3 to 5 years ago, so 3 to 5 years. So cool. That's so freaking cool. Well, I appreciate y'all watching. That's all the time we got this week, unfortunately. I hope you enjoyed. We custom fabricated a front bumper. That's pretty sick. And on top of that, we made custom emblems. And the best part is, we did it in the shop. We didn't have to wait for shipping and place a custom order. I don't know if you've ever placed a custom order. That's custom. You're not just going to go on and buy some brand name thing. But we did it here. Either way, appreciate y'all watching. I'm going to leave a link for the product in the description. Go check it out or check out one of their many other awesome machines they have. They have so much stuff. Either way, I'll catch y'all next week. Peace out.